Alright, so we've got a 7.3 IDI injectors. These are G-code injectors. So we're going to show a quick disassembly of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to break this free. This screws off. This piece sits on top of your spring. Your spring's going to come out. And then on top of that spring, you get your shims. Your shims are going to come out. And on this side, got this piece right here. This piece right here, you got your cap. You're going to take that washer off. Then you're going to have these gaskets that are going to be on here. So you're going to take those gaskets off so you can put all this in the ultrasonic. Make sure you keep up with all these shims. That's all there is to it.